Data from large number of devices and source categorized into fourth category called big data. Data is stored in database at a server or in a data warehouse or a cloud as a big data. Whatever the data stored in the database server or a data warehouse or a cloud is treated as a big data, where we are going to be storing a large amount of data is storing. Next, our concept is assembly software for the events. A device can generate events. As we know, a device can generate the event. For example, a sensor can generate an event when temperature reaches a preset value or falls below a threshold. Whenever the temperature rises or falls down, it will generate some events. A pressure sensor in a boiler generates an event when pressure exceeds a critical value which warrants attention. So if you are using the pressure sensors in boilers, it generates an event when pressure exceeds the critical value. Whatever the value we have set it, if it is exceeds, it will shows the critical value which warrants attention, which warns us. So from this we are identifying that every event can be assigned an ID. So an event has to be assigned an ID. A logic value sets or resets for an event state. We are setting a logical values for setting or resetting the event state. Logic 1 refers to an event generated but not yet acted upon. So it is just like as a true false. Logic 1 refers to an event generated but not yet acted upon. Logic 0 refers to an event generated and acted upon or not yet generated. So it is either true or false. So as we know, true state as well as false state. It is getting ready and get ready. A software component in application can assemble the events. By using the software component in applications can assemble the events, that is the logic value, event ID and device ID, and can also add date timestamp. So for generating an events, we have to use compulsory date timestamp. At what time it has to generate, at what date it has to generate. So this is very much essential. Events from IoTs and logic flows assemble using software. So whatever the events here from IoT are and logical flows, these flows are using from only softwares only.